Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Lalit Kishore has contended that the decision contained in the impugned letters of the State Election Commission, appended as Annexure 4 to both the writ petitions, cannot be faulted with. He has placed reliance upon a decision rendered in Hobbs versus Hobbs to impress upon this court that merely taking out the concerned provision of subsection 5 and placing it under subsection 6 cannot necessarily mean that the intention of the legislature was to make it applicable also in the case of removal under section 25 under bracket 4. It is held in the aforesaid decision that draftsmen may make such change simply to improve the style. He has further placed reliance upon a decision of the Supreme Court rendered in Gramophone Company of India Limited versus Birendra Singh Pandey and others 1984, two Supreme Court cases 534 AIR 1984 SC 667. It is contended that though the matter came to be considered by the apex court in a different context arising out of Copyright Act, however, it has been held that while interpreting the meaning of words, it has to be kept in mind that simple meaning of reference to dictionaries is hardly of any avail, particularly in the case of words of ordinary parlance. Such words take color from the context. It is urged that the endeavor of the petitioners to make subsection 6 applicable with respect to removal under section 24 under bracket 4 by giving emphasis on the words that Chief Counselor or Deputy Chief Counselor so removed would be of no avail, as it is necessarily indicating towards the previous provision, that is of removal under section 25 under bracket 5. For the said purpose, he has placed reliance upon yet another decision of the Supreme Court rendered in K. Ramanathan versus State of Tamil Nadu and another 1985 to impress upon this court that construction of words must depend on the context in which it is used in the statute and the object sought to be achieved by the legislation. It is contended that by the amending act, several provisions of the Municipal Act 2007 have been amended. However, it would be evident from the aims and object appended with the bill, which was tabled, that the main purpose for bringing amendment in section 25 under bracket 5 was to achieve parity between the Hindi and English version of the Act, as subsection 6 was already there in the English version even before the aforesaid amendment. Mr. P. K. Verma, learned AAG 5, has also submitted that only intention of the legislation for bringing out the concerned sentence from subsection 5 under a new subsection 6 was to achieve parity and numbering it for convenience. He has placed reliance upon a decision of the Apex Court rendered in Nathi Devi versus Radha Devi Gupta 2002 to demonstrate that while making a construction, a statute should be read in a manner which would give effect to all the words used in the act, as it is well settled principle that endeavor should be made to give effect to all the expressions used in the statute. Stop.